Hey guys, got a can of beans here. Gonna grill these beans. Oh my god. So we got some Bush's best baked beans, grown from the bean plant, the baked bean plant, the barbecue baked bean plant, the dog that the dog shits on, the dog from the fucking Bush's goddamn commercials. We got some nutrition values, only 170 fucking calories. Fuck! Fuck, you ain't gonna tell me that shit ain't magic. That shit ain't sorcery. 170 calories, look how big this is. Big as my cho, dude. This right here. Feed 50 people. Feed 50 people one of these. Feed 50 Africans, boy. Feed 50 little sweatshop boys. Hear that? A little bit of ASMR for you. Oh! Makes an orgasm every time.